Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to customize options on web. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to customize options on web. Maybe because you want more options in your lower section bar of the web app because you have seen someone else web messenger, or maybe you think that you use more options and they should be in front of you all the time, so you want to add more. Or maybe there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the BIP app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account. Now just simply tap on the icon of the BIP to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. So here I'll tell you at the bottom you can see we have three options: messages, call and more. So today we will see that how we can add more options into this section. Right now we are three options, so how we could add up to five options. So for that what you have to do is you just have to simply go to the more section, and there you could see we have a lot of different options all over our screen. So we will see how we can add these options into our lower section, lower bar, where we have three options right now. For example, here we have this option dial pad camera. If you want to add these options into the lower section, so we will see how we can add more. And if you want other options which are in front of our eyes, so you can add any one of these to your lower section bar. So we will see how we can do that. So for that we have this option customize. As you can see, we have to click on this. Here on the top we have two options. We cannot remove these options, these are the default options, but lower we have 7 to 8 different options. You can add them. So to add any one of these, you just have to simply click on this blue option which is add, and it will be added to the top. That means when we will get back, it will be in our lower bar section. So that's how you can add four option here, and the one is the default one which will be there. So now as we just got back, here you can see at the bottom we have now five options. The options that were in front of our eyes now have moved to the lower section. Here you can see we have five options. So that's how you can add different kind of options to your lower section bar, and you can customize according to your preferences which options you use the most. You can add them, and the options that you use the least you can remove them. It's all up to you. You just have to simply add them, or you just have to simply remove them, and like that it will work. So you can add up to only four options here. One is a default option, so total they together are five options. So here you can only add four options. After that you just have to simply save, and the options that you have added will appear at the bottom of the screen. Now you can click to them, can use them, can do whatever you want to do with them. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add more options to your BIP account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.